Can a constructor be final or static in Java? Let's break it down and walk through real code to see what actually happens. First, can a constructor be final? Consider this example. We've added the final keyword in front of the constructor. But when we try to compile this, Java throws an error saying that the modifier final is not allowed here. Why? Because constructors are never inherited and can't be overridden, ever. The final keyword is used to prevent method overriding, but since constructors don't get overridden, marking them final makes no sense. That's why Java doesn't allow it. It's not just syntactic, it's logical. So no, constructors cannot be final. Now what about static? Let's look at this example. It has a static keyword in front of the constructor. This seems harmless, but this will also fail to compile. Why? Because the static keyword means belonging to the class, not an object. But constructors are specifically designed to create instances of a class. They run when an object is created, not when the class is loaded. So making a constructor static is a contradiction. You can't create an object with something that isn't tied to an object. But wait, you can use a static block instead. Here's a correct version. Let me explain. The static block runs once, when the class is first loaded into memory. This is perfect for one-time setup, like loading config or initializing static variables. The constructor, on the other hand, runs every time you create a new object. So if you write myClassObj equals new myClass, you'll see two outputs. Static block runs when class loads, constructor runs when object is created. That proves the static block and constructor are completely different. Final answer. So, can a constructor be final or static? Absolutely not. It's not just a rule, it's by design. Java keeps object creation clean, predictable, and logical. Use constructors to build objects. Use static blocks to initialize class level stuff. And don't try to mix the two. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.